CapCut. Strong, powerful, not only for video, also for avatar. Let's go in. So if you don't know it yet, just go on capcut.com. You have two options to use it, online or download it. And after downloading it, you got the tool with the different features like long video to shorts, text to speech, AI dialogue scene, AI fashion model, and much more. On the left, you have also the image editing, create with AI, and marketing tools. There is also the AI video maker. Here you have different features like the avatar video. Let's try it. So we can create our own avatar or use existing ones. Let's try existing one here, and here we can enter a script. So I added a little script here and we just hit create and it's already finished. Let's see.
Hello, my name is Michael and I am AI generated with a custom prompt. I was created by a team of engineers and scientists at a major tech company. My purpose is to help people understand and use large.
Well, the result is astonishing. He took our prompt and generated based on that more text for it, and also the generation itself with the mouth movement, with the quality. Perfect. Back at the home screen we click on AI dialogue scene. On the left we click on AI image to generate the image. A man with a beard wearing a green pullover with a label AI man. We can choose another model here, but we will just use the image. And we hit generate. And as we can see, he generated the green pullover man with the label AI man. Awesome. Now we take this image for the AI video and writing the prompt the man with the beard smiling in the camera. We choose the other model here. We can adjust some settings here, but we just hit regenerate. And if we play it, exactly that what we wanted. Awesome. And the last tab, AI avatars. Here we can choose from an avatar like this one here. We can also choose the format like a full or just a portrait mode. Let's use the half body and we click next. So we typed in a little script here. You can also add audio. And now we choose a voice. Let's choose Jesse. If you're fine with it, we can also choose generate captions and we hit generate. On the top here we see the current progress, and once he's done we can look at it.
Hello, I am a fashion model from Las Vegas and I like it.
So the mouth movement is perfect, the quality is awesome, very nice. We can also edit here, we can cut out some parts or just add some parts. Awesome. Next we look at the AI fashion model feature. So we uploaded a clothing, a green pullover. We selected a pose. Let's try another one like this one here. And we hit generate. And he's already finished and he did a great job. He took our clothing and put it on the models. Perfect. There is another feature, the AI feature here. So we entered a little prompt here. A male model with a red pullover and blue jeans in the front of a white background. Full body shot and we hit generate. And that's exactly what we wanted. Red pullover, blue jeans, male model. Awesome. We can use the model here. Let's select it. And now we can upload our custom clothing. And we hit generate. So he took our model from before and put on our custom clothing. That's awesome. Very good. To the pricing of CapCut, it's easy. You have the monthly or yearly subscription. You get access of all paid features, unlock and edit all templates, use it across desktop, mobile and web, and you can cancel it anytime. As usual, if you liked CapCut, just try it. See you in the next one.